Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
The complainant had alleged that someone had approached him on Facebook in the form of a lady and had started talking to the complainant over the last few months, during the course of which that lady had promised to get married to the complainant, and on that pretext of the marriage she had fraudulently deceived the complainant into transferring around 23 lakh rupees from the complainant's account to this lady's account, and now the complainant alleged that after taking all the money she had stopped talking, and he felt that he had been cheated. So when we received the complaint, we started an inquiry, and a detailed inquiry was carried out. The accounts were verified, bank accounts were checked, mobile phones, everything was checked, and after a lot of hard work, we narrowed down on this one person who appeared to be the final beneficiary of this fraud. So it was also seen that he was moving across several towns in Bangalore and Davangere in Karnataka. So we sent a team to Davangere, where with the help of local police we were able to apprehend one person who was not a female, by the name of Swapnil Naik.